In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new folder in your Yahoo Mail account, making it easier to organize your inbox efficiently. If you find that your email is becoming a bit overwhelming and cluttered, creating specific folders can be a lifesaver. Whether you're organizing by topic, sender, or urgency, custom folders can help you keep track of your important messages without any hassle. Let's walk through the steps together. First, let's start by logging into your Yahoo Mail account. Head over to your preferred web browser and type in the Yahoo Mail URL. Once the homepage loads, you'll want to enter your username and password in the designated fields. Take a moment to ensure that your login details are correct, then hit the Enter button or click on the Sign In option. If everything is correct, you'll be directed right into your main inbox. Now that we're in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. This is where your folder list is located, and it's your main hub for organizing emails in Yahoo. You might see folders like Inbox, Sent, Drafts, and a few others, but right now, we're interested in creating a new one. Locate the section labeled as Folders. It might appear as a drop-down or a list depending on your email settings. Within the Folders section, you'll notice an option or icon that says New Folder. It might have a plus sign next to it, making it easy to spot. Go ahead and click on that button or icon. This simple click is your gateway to better organization. Clicking New Folder prompts a small text box to appear. This is where you can get creative and decide how you'd like to label your folder. Think about what type of emails you'll be placing there and what makes sense to you. For instance, if you're a fan of organizing by projects, you might name it after a specific project you're currently working on. Once you've chosen the perfect name, type it into the text box. Double-check your spelling and clarity to avoid any confusion later on. With your name chosen and typed in, the next step is to make this new folder a reality. You have two simple options here. You can click the Add button, typically next to the text box, or if you prefer shortcuts, simply press the Enter key on your keyboard. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new folder in Yahoo Mail. It should now appear in your list of folders on the left, ready and waiting for you to start sorting your emails into a more organized state. Feel free to repeat these steps to create additional folders based on your needs. Thank you for watching, and may your email management be forever hassle-free. Happy organizing!